this is Andrea here. I got a visitor.
Hey YouTube.
That's my daughter, Andrea, as well. And we are finishing up the last box that I did. So I detangled everything. This one turned out really pretty. All these beautiful stones.
That's really pretty.
Isn't it?
I like the different colors.
And it's Napier.
Brand name.
Yeah. There we go.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It would make a pretty anklet.
It would, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know what this is, but it's very tiny, and it's not an anklet.
Interesting chain.
Yeah. But it's...
I love the colors. Is that rose gold?
No, it's gold.
Oh, okay.
Could be rose gold.
Looks kind of rosy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is rose gold.
So I think it's a sweater clip.
It's different. It's a sweater clip.
It goes from collar to collar.
Oh, okay, no, I have some of those. Those are cute.
Yeah. This is a real pretty necklace that came out of the box.
Statement piece.
Banana Republic.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Banana Republic statement piece.
We got a bolo with a ceramic piece here.
And little bullets at the end.
And little bullets. So I'm putting little bullets down here. So you could pop them off, put them in your little 22. Just kidding. Your pea shooter. And then there's this one. It's all rubber.
Which is really weird.
And it's made by... I can't read the name. It's okay. It's different. This is all one piece, and it was so tangled, and then I realized it was tangled within itself. I was like, oh man, that's a mess.
That's pretty though.
Yeah, multi-strand necklace with blue seed beads and then chain, silver tone. This is the cutest little owl. He's so adorable.
Very detailed.
And
He's pretty.
yeah, no markings, but cute as can be. This looks handmade. Says Express. It's a little tiny choker.
Oh, no. Express is a store. That's
Is
in a
it?
store in our mall.
Oh, okay, like Claire's.
Yeah. No. It's a clothing store.
Oh, it's a clothing
So
store.
that's one of their accessories.
Ah, okay. This is adorable. It's a little owl locket.
It's so cute.
I don't know if I can get it open. There we go. Just cute little locket. And he's adorable.
Yeah, he is. Ooh.
This is a fancy schmancy.
Oh, that's pretty.
The chain, though, is really wore out, so I'll probably put this in the craft bag. Someone can repurpose these little things here.
I could see that on a mini album.
Yeah, wouldn't that be pretty?
Yeah.
So, but there's that.
Wow.
And we have a couple of little tangles. I made this tangle up. There we go.
Rhinestone.
Rhinestone, yes. This one needs to be clean, but it is so pretty.
It's perfect for like an event, like a dance or wedding.
Yeah. All the stones are there, so it's gorgeous. This is really pretty.
I like this kind of necklace. It's really different and
It is like little bones.
it's delicate. But
Yeah.
they're so pretty. I had one with little blue stones.
There, now you have another one.
Yay, thank you.
Here's a little choker, some crystal beads. Here is a little snowman. He's cute.
Ooh, he's pearls.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is cute.
They did a good job putting him together.
Yeah.
This one is really pretty.
Double strand.
Mm-hmm. Double strand all the way around. These glass beads here.
Love the colors. I always love the colors. But you know, with jewelry, it's pretty itch. Pretty much it. It's pretty itch. Got a blooper.
Bloop. This is on a leather cording. It's a stone with wood beads. And the cording is purple.
I like the cording.
Yeah.
It's my favorite color.
Purple.
Purple.
This one is 9 West. It's just a little
Doohickey.
doohickey.
That's pretty.
That's pretty. On a cord. This is really nice. I love gathered charms. This one is 2 people kissing.
Oh,
Then there's a rose, a heart, a flower.
it's like a charm necklace.
Yeah. It's very pretty. And I love the 2 little people kissing. It's cute.
Oh, that's colorful.
Yeah, this one I think is handmade because this is a sewing class. And
That's smart, though.
yeah. And then it's glass beaded on rope.
Huh.
That's nice.
Yeah.
This one has a heart on a black chain.
Oh,
Pretty
I like
heart.
the little stones.
Aren't those pretty?
Yeah. We have another owl.
Another owl.
Really pretty. This one has a bunch of rhinestones.
Yes, he's adorable.
I like owls. Well, I like owl charms and stuff.
Me too.
Owls scare me. We have a big one in our backyard
Yeah.
that visits, and I think it wants to eat our little dogs.
He's a big owl, y'all. Big owl.
That's
There's
tiny.
like a shark tooth.
Wow, it's cool.
It is. It's like a shark tooth.
Not cool, it's cool.
It's cool.
It's cute. And there's another shark tooth.
And then we have another one.
And a longer,
On the
ropey, cordy twine?
twine. Yeah,
That was
that one
twine.
was twine.
Okay.
And we have a beaded necklace, which is really long.
Are those seashells?
No,
Oh.
they're just glass beads.
Gotcha.
Then we have this one. This one is marked as well, but I don't remember. I can't read it.
Oh, it's a bunch of birds.
I
Little
can't
tiny
read.
birds.
Yeah, little tiny baby birds.
And they're multicolored birds. That's pretty. I like the little hoops that they're inside because it looks like bird cages.
Yeah. Agreed.
That's pretty.
This one's really pretty.
That's a pretty blue.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder why I like it, Mom.
It's your birthstone.
It is.
Then we have pearls.
You can't go wrong with the classics.
You cannot go wrong with classics. This
Ooh.
one is really pretty. It's a multi-chain necklace,
That is gorgeous.
isn't it?
It's long too, so it's one of those really pretty, fancy ones.
Yeah, it is.
So you could down it with jeans.
Yeah. Then I had some regular chains here, which have no charms on them and no markings. But they're good for when you run out of chain and you have a bunch of charms
Yeah.
that you want to put together. Okay. Then we have a stretch bracelet.
Cute.
It's a little wore out.
Very jingly.
Jingle, jingle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. This is really cute. Made in China.
Very dainty.
It's an anklet.
Very dainty.
Yeah.
That'd be why.
I like anklets that are dainty.
Yeah, well, it wouldn't make sense to have like a really chunky one.
No, probably not.
Because your jeans could snag.
This is marked with BD. Cute little charm bracelet.
I wonder what BD means.
I don't know. This is Charming Charlie.
That's cute.
Rose gold bracelet. With that?
Yeah. I do.
There's a stone cross on a leather band.
That's pretty.
And then there's two of these. One is rose gold, one is silver tone. And they're both fabric, made by Jewel Mint.
Oh, those are cute.
Yeah. It's a wooden beaded bracelet. Here's a
Jingly.
Christmas bracelet, so cute.
With little bells on it. And ribbon.
Yeah, ribbon. And this is really pretty. I think it's handmade. It's a bracelet.
Gold and crystals.
Mm-hmm.
Cute.
Yeah. And then I found two earrings. This one and this one. And that was the bottom of the bag, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye, guys.